Welcome to channel Competitive Data. Today discuss the new chapter for ATO of diploma and degree category. The chapter is diploma level engineering drawing, and the first chapter we have to discuss that is introduction to engineering drawing and drawing instrument. So let's start the chapter one, the introduction and demonstration. So the first one is drawing board. So a first class engineering drawing board is made of 4 to 6 strips. As you can see the figure, this is made of 4 strip. You can make 6 strip also, and it is made of as well seasoned soft good quality soft wood such as pine, fir, oak or kilo of thickness. That means the thickness of the wood will be 18 mm, as mentioned, about 18 mm. And we have discussed the drawing board. Okay, so the wooden strip are pleated at the back by two buttons. These are the two buttons which are joined by these four strips are joined by the button, two buttons. This is one and this two, and by means of screw, these are the screw to prevent the wrapping. And one of the shorter edge of the rectangle board is fitted with perfectly straight ebony strip. So this edge is used as working edge for the T-square which moves along the ebony wood. These are the ebony working edge where you have to fit it the T-square. What is T-square? We have to discuss later. So just follow the lecture. First, the following are the standard size of drawing board according to Indian Standards Institution (ISI). So what are the standards of the drawing board? We have to discuss. So the standards are, and which is designated by did not, which is length 1500 and width 1000 mm and thickness is 25. This is used for a not sheet. What is a not? A1, A2, A3, A4? We have to discuss later. So these are the sizes we can fit it for a not size sheet. And next designation is D1, which is a size of 100, 700 and 25, which is used for A1 sheet. Next designation is D2. D2, that means drawing board. The size are 700, 500 into 15, which is used for A2 size sheet. Next designation is D3, which is length is 500, width is 350 mm and thickness is 15, which is used for sheet size A3. Next next we have to know the various size of sheet. So discuss the drawing sheet, that means the sheet size. Different quality of drawing sheet are available in market depending upon the nature of drawing quality of drawing paper is selected. So this is nothing to explain anymore. So the drawing paper should be uniform thickness and such as quality that erasing should not will leave any impression on it. So we have to draw on the sheet and it will not any impression after erasing it. So we have to choose that quality of drawing sheet. One of the side of drawing paper is usually rough and other is smooth, and the smooth surface is side for drawing work. And the drawing sheets are different sizes available in market, and this is the figure 2. We have to discuss the various sizes and according to Indian Standard Institution. The standard size of trimmed and untrimmed drawing sheet according to Indian standard are given below table 2. So the designation is given by A0, the standard size of drawing sheet. A0 means the width and length, that means 841 and 1189. This is the trim size and this is the untrimmed size. Untrimmed size means this means is not standard size. So next we have to remember A0, that means we have to remember the trim size, that means 841 into 1189 is the width and length. Next A1, that A1 designation means A1 seat size is given by 594 into 841, and A2 means 420 into 594, and A3 means 297 into 420, and A4 seat size means the width is 210 and 297 mm, and A5 seat means 148 into 210 mm. Just you have to remember this is the standard size of A0, A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5 seats. Next we have to discuss as the syllabus given. Introduction is over. Next we have to discuss the drawing instrument. This is the drawing instrument we have to discuss here. So the drawing instrument and other drawing material. So the following is the list of the instrument and other ancillary accessory required for construction of drawing. So first drawing instrument is drawing board. Next is T-square. Next is set square and compass and divider, protector, scale, pencil, rubber, eraser, and drawing clip and drawing pins. Next duster or handkerchief. Next last drawing instrument is mini drafter. So first is drawing board. We have to the detailed drawing board has been discussed in previous. This is the drawing board. See the drawing board. We have to discuss the first time. Next in drawing instrument is T square. As the name is T square, it is looks like T, just like T. T in the alphabet. This is T type in alphabet, and it is made of hard quality wood such as teak and mahogany, etc. These are the two essential part of T square, namely stock and blade. And the upper part, that means this part is called stock, and this part is called blade. And what is the function of stock and blade? So discussing in this class. So the blade is fitted with ebony or plastic piece. So the blade is fitted with ebony and plastic piece to form working edge. So this is the plastic or ebony piece to perform the working edge. That means we have to draw the line with the help of this edge. Next, two parts are held securely together at right angle to each other. These stock and blades are held together at right angle by means of screw or dowel pins. Two parts are held securely together at right angle to each other by means of screw or dowel pin in order to form a straight edge of blade as shown in the figure. The working length of T square is equal to the length of the drawing board. So this is the working length. This is the working edge. Sorry. This is the working edge. This is the working edge, which is the length of the drawing board. So next instrument is set square. Just a minute. Next instrument is set square. Set square is a triangular in shape and made up of celluloid or plastic material. Set square made up of transparent celluloid are most satisfactory. One, the line underneath them can be seen quite easily. These are the two types of set square, which is 30, 60. and 45 set square. 36 means one of the angle of the triangle is 30 and other angle is 60, and one is 90 degree, and 45 set square is the two angles are 45 and one angle 90 degree. These are the 30-60 set square and 45 set square. 30-60 set square has three angle with the measure of 30, 60 and 90 degree respectively, and 45 set square has three angle which measure 45, 45 and 90 degree respectively. So basically the set square is used for measurement of angle and uh, between two lines. Set square have different size available in market. Set square is used for drawing all the straight lines except horizontal line, which are drawn with T-square, and many diopter as in the case maybe perpendicular lines or the line 30, 60, 90 to the horizontal can be drawn using set square. Next instrument is compass. Compass is used for drawing circle and arc of the circle of required diameter. It is consisted of metal legs held hinged together to its upper end by means of joint known as knee joint, and an accessible fixed needle is fixed on to the one end, and other leg is where other leg is provided with attachment which can be fitted with pencil lead or pencil depending on the nature of the attachment. So this is the compass box. One is needle and another leg is fitted with instrument. Uh, that means for drawing purposes that means pencils, and it is used for circle and used for drawing circles, and circle up to 120 mm diameter can be done, and drawing cycle more than 150 mm radius, and the lengthening bar is used, and it is advised to keep the needle end one about 1 mm long compared to the pencil, and so that the while drawing the cycle the needle one is pressed it go inside the drawing sheet by small distance, so approximately 1 mm clearance is provided to the needle. So this is all about compass. Next is divider. Divider is just like a compass, except the two parts are needle. In compass one part is fitted with pencil and other is needle, and in divider two parts are needle. So it is consist of metal legs as in compass, whereas unlike compass a divider provided with two needle one of the both legs. So this is not needed to explain anymore, as you see all the compass and divider instrument in your geometry box. And next instrument is protractor. As you know, protractor is used for measuring angles, and the angles ranges between 0 to 180 degree, and this is a semicircular portion, and protractor is generally 1 degree, and the least count there means the minimum angle measured by the protractor is 1 degree. So it is just like a transparent cellular plastic material. Next instrument is scale. This is also another instrument which is present in the geometry box. Scales are used for measuring length and distance on the drawing. Scale is measuring stick and graduate on both its legs with different division to represent the corresponding actual division and ground according to some fixed proportion. The scales are known as representative factor, representative fraction, that means RF scale, or representative fraction scale. So scale facilitates mapping to distance on drawing. So scales of various representative function are available in market, which is 1:1, 1:2, 1:5, 1:110, 1:20, like that. And the representative function means we have to reduce the image or enlarge the image according to that ratio. So the full size scale is 1:1, and reducing size is 1:2, 1:5, and enlarging means 10:1. That means scales are used for prepare or analyze the drawing and set of dimension and measuring distance directly. Next drawing instrument is pencil. Pencil are used for preparing drawing on the drawing sheet. The accuracy and appearance of drawing depending on the quality of the pencil used. Different grades of pencil are available depending on the hardness of the lead, and pencils of various grade can be easily recognized by the letter marked on the body of the pencil. So pencil are generally graded as H, F, B, and HB, and H represents hardness, and F represents firm, and B represents softness, and HB represents intermediate between hard and soft. So the general designation of pencil is associated with alphanumerical symbols such as 2H, 3H, HB, B, 2B, 3B, etc. The figure below shows the various grade of pencil. The drawing pencil graded from 7B, 6B to HB, H2H, it's increasing order of their hardness and decreasing order of their blackness. So this is the increasing order of hardness. It means 9H is greater hardness than 8H, 7H is greater hardness than 6H, but 6H is less black. That means hardness is increased and blackness is decreased. So 9H has less blackness. That means 7B has greater blackness. That means B represents blackness and H represents hardness. So 7B means 7 is greater than 6. That means 7 has greater blackness than 6B, but less hardness. So 9H is greater than 8H. That means H means hardness. So 9H is greater hardness than 8H. So generally drawings are made with 2H pencil and finish with H and HB pencil. So drawing made with intermediate with 2H pencil. Next instrument is rubber eraser. An eraser is made of rubber and is used for extra pencil work or wrongly drawn lines. Soft eraser is more suitable for erasing and leaves little or no impression on the drawing sheet. So eraser is used for erasing the drawing work or wrongly drawn, and eraser should be soft. That means it will not any impression on the drawing sheet after erasing it. Next, drawing instrument is drawing clip or drawing pins. Both drawing clips and drawing pins serve the same purpose. They are used to fix the drawing sheet firmly in the position to the drawing board as construction in the frame. So this is the double pin, the drawing pin, and this is a drawing clip. It is adjusted in the drawing sheet on drawing board. Next is duster or handkerchief. Duster or handkerchief is used for cleaning instrument. It is used for swipe away the cloth or the dust from the pen after the use of eraser on the drawing sheet. So it is just to remove the dust or scrub after erasing on the drawing sheet. Next is drafting machine or mini drafter. So mini drafter is an instrument which combine together all features form a T-square or set-square scale and protractor, and hence it is uniform instrument capable of performing all the functions all these instruments put together. One end of the mini drafter is clamped by means of screw and the distance longer edge drawing board, and other end the adjustable hand is having protractor making it fitted two blades be transparent circulars accurate set at a right angle to each other are attached to the head. The machine has a mechanism M which keeps the blade always parallel to the original position, irrespective of their position. The blades have scale mark on and used to set edge. The blade may be set at any desired angle with the help of protractor. So this is the parallel arm. This is the one link, two link, three link, four link, and this is the four joint pair. So this is the scale which is attached, and it is moved in the parallel to the this arm. And the scales are so parallel to this drawing sheet left side arm. This is top side arm, and this is the and here is the protractor which is used for measuring the angle, and this length and this scale will draw for the length, width, and measuring the distance. So you have to use this mini adapter in your engineering drawing in the BTech or diploma classes. So this is the called as mini adapter, the drawing sheet. Next class we have to study the types of lines, lettering, and dimension. From this class, the pre-hand drawing, line, dimension, geometry, ellipse, and other hand tool measuring tools we have to discuss in this class. And next class we have to discuss the lines and drawing of geometric figures. So the types of lines and lettering and dimensions are discussed. That means chapter 2 will be discussed in the next class. So thank you.